YouTube, what is up? I am Rello and you're now tuned in to Rello World. Yeah, we got a little rain today, like every other weekend. I was gonna do the headlights on the truck and give it a little facelift. It's gonna paint the bumper and everything, but the rain kind of messed that up, but I could still do the headlights. So that's what this video is about today. Gonna be putting these headlights in, cause as you can see, when I replaced the mirrors and put those tow mirrors, I didn't like the headlights no more, man. They old, and as you can see, they ain't all that great. So I'm gonna be replacing those, so it won't be such an eyesore with the new mirrors. I was gonna repaint all this and this, but as you can see, it's raining, so you ain't gonna do all that, but gonna get it together today. So these the mirrors I ordered. Another DNA product off of Amazon. I meant not mirrors, but headlights. These are the headlights I ordered. You know, same product as the tow mirrors, DNA off of Amazon. Yeah, man, it's the same ones I got on there, I think. Well, these look a little lighter. I didn't think they were gonna look that much lighter, but
oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Well, it's a 78.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looked really good.
yeah, they look a little lighter. I was gonna end up building my own headlights, but I think I'm gonna just stick with just regular headlights on the truck. I ain't gonna go too crazy with all the lights and stuff in it and all that. So that's what I'm gonna be putting in today, man. Got the top ones and the bottom ones. So I'm gonna carry them on out there and gonna get to it.
Running from that one man, right here spinning tall, nigga, that's on everything. Drop to hit your body, boom, boom, what they going with? I didn't never nigga, no, Rello run up on you. Rude boy attitude like fuck them niggas. Tough little nigga, flow sharp like blade, might cut them niggas. They tell me talking tough, but I don't hear you. Done got so far ahead that I can't see him in my rear view. Cocky nigga, alright, fucking right. They ask me the reason why I say I'm gripped on life, ready for war. So take it where you wanna take it, artillery special package. I ain't never been basic. Lord help me, I swear they can't fuck with me. Prepare for the worst, so I be ready when they cover me. plotting on mine. Just know that I strategize. My plan a nigga run up, then these niggas get minimized. Y'all. I'm on some other shit, see about my money, don't hope these niggas ain't crossing, that's a path that they don't wanna go. Destruction, destruction, I swear the flow destructible. Nothing like that 06 real nigga, this right low. Bate boy, what the blood clot, he got them helmets cocked. Anytime you're ready for stop, my mind being gone, and I being focused, gotta watch my own back. Nowadays these niggas cut dope. I got no time for the bullshit, I'm riding by myself, seeing not a damn thing, middle finger in the air, trying to better myself, and the world won't let me. Carrying this weight on my shoulder, that motherfucker heavy. Lord help me, I swear that they can't fuck with me. Prepare for the worst, so I be ready when they come for me. Plotting on mine, just know that I strategize. My plan a nigga run up, then these niggas get minimized. Yeah.
There it is. Quick, easy mod.
Oh my God! Wow!
That you can do to your truck and make it look a little newer. Yeah, fresh new headlights, like a clean start, you know.
Really, nigga?
Just gotta do a little mods to this bumper, get it all painted up nice and neat, and she in there. I also added the little short antenna yesterday, and I like that better than the long antenna, so yeah, I'm going with that. But yeah, man, new headlights, all I need is a fresh paint on the grill and the bumper. I think I'm gonna just black out this bumper, the whole thing. But yeah, man, that's it. I like it.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Again, I thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Rello World. On the road to 1K, man. Let's get there. I'm out.